Thank you for subscribing.
Hey everyone, it's Sir Ant, and I'm coming at you with a 1-month update on my Doge mining project. I have been letting it run, and I have to say I have not been religious about this. I've been letting it run on my computer in my spare time when I'm not using it, when I'm not gaming, when I'm not doing any video editing, things like that. Then I will just leave it run, and I leave it running all the time. I've made now in 1 month, it's been exactly 1 month since I've been doing this. Now, if I left this computer running dedicated to doing this, I'm sure it would be substantially more. But in 1 month, I'll put the image right up over here. I have made, as you can see here, 276.39 Dogecoin. Now, the current state of the market, Doge is at about 20 cents. So I've made about $50, 50 US dollars. So that's not bad for doing nothing. However, one thing to keep in mind with these cryptocurrency things is I now have 276 Dogecoin. If I hold on to these things and 2 years from now, 5 years from now, they turn into the next Bitcoin. Bitcoin also at one point was worth nothing. It was a brand new digital currency. It's now worth $40,000. Can you imagine if Dogecoin became popular because of something Elon Musk said, and it surged up to even $10 a coin? That would be a substantial amount of money for no real investment. And that's if I stopped mining right now and left this 276 as is. Now, just to show you that, like I said, so far the program has all been legit too. When it reaches the threshold of 30 Dogecoin, it does send it to your wallet. It doesn't even have to be the Coinomi wallet that they recommend. You can use any wallet you want. You just put in the address in the miner. But just to show you that, I don't know how well it's going to see it, I've got 47 US dollars and 276.39 on Doge. And that is in my wallet. That is not in the mining program or the unminable miner software. That they actually send it to my wallet. So I've got 276 Doge after a month of, like I said, doing nothing. So am I going to continue? Sure, why not? The only problem, and it was getting annoying for a while, and you may find this too if you try this, when Windows doesn't update. You know how when you first unzip the file that you download, it's going to tell you have a virus, you have to click on it and then say allow this, blah, blah, blah. Every time Windows doesn't update, it's going to delete that file again. You're going to have to re-extract it and redo the whole process. Or go into your security settings, do a quick Google search. You'll see how to do it. It's really easy. But you just basically go into your Windows 10 settings, security and privacy. You go and set it so you can set an exception. Set an exception on that folder or even just that file. And then Windows can update all at once and it won't stop mining. But yeah, so far so good. I am mining away. I'm really happy with it. And let's hope Elon Musk builds himself a spaceship now. All the other billionaires are doing it, so why not? And he'll take a Dogecoin into space, and that will take it to the moon almost literally, and then we'll all get rich. But yeah, so I'm going to keep mining, and there you go. That's it. I'm not going to really go on and on about mining or Dogecoin or anything like that. That unminable miner software you can mine other coins with as well, quite a bunch of them. But yeah, there you go. I hope you like these 3 little videos about mining Dogecoin. If you do have any questions, by all means, let me know, and I'll answer them in any way I can in the comments below. You might notice that your comments don't show up immediately, but that's only because anytime you mention cryptocurrency on YouTube, people start spamming your comments with, hey, I just made X number of Bitcoin on this place, and hey, to do this, hey, click this link, hey, click, and so I there's a lot of viruses going around like that, so I don't even like to have those in there. I'm not going to click them, but I don't want you guys to click them either. So I'll take a look at your comments and then I will repost them. Don't worry, you will get your answers. But yeah, that's the end of the Dogecoin little mini series. 276 Doge. I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. That actually brings my overall Dogecoin collection account at a nice number. I like that. So yeah, I'm gonna keep going. See you guys. Have fun.
Thank you for subscribing.